In this next video, I want to tell you about an amazing city that I discovered on the southern coast of Turkey called Antalya. I had no idea what to expect, but it is fantastic. Check it out. So here I'm just trying to capture some overall scenes, establishing shots, and then some medium and detail shots within that scene. This is a great place to do that. I'm overlooking the old harbor in Antalya, Turkey. There's expansive views from the snow-capped mountains over here to the cliffs with homes on them, down onto the old harbor right here below. Fantastic. This is going to be a great place to bring my group back to when we come back. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to check out the other ones here on the channel, and especially in my best travel tips playlist. Next, share it with others and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're in need of a great gift that helps support the channel, you can look for any of my pandemic, travel, photography, or Continental Drifter designs at my online stores. Finally, be sure to check out my latest physical books on Amazon. They make great gifts. And head on over to the continentaldrifter.co website for more travel and photography tips and to get your free download. And remember, drifters, life's too short not to travel.